Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to fix sleep mode not working on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search clock app. Click on clock app and click on storage. Click on clear cache. After clear cache clock app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management and click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Reset settings, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. So it just reset all setting, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.